In today's video, I will walk you through how to change settings in Claude AI. To access the settings, look at the bottom left corner of the sidebar and click your user profile. This may display your initials or your name. From the menu that appears, select Settings. In general, set how you want Claude to address you. Add a brief description of your work and include any personal preferences you want to guide responses. You can also toggle notifications for response completions if you want to receive a notification when longer replies finish. Next, customize the appearance by choosing options such as color mode and chat font. If you use voice, adjust the available voice settings to match your listening preferences. In the Account section, you can log out of all devices or delete your account. You can also view your organization ID and any active sessions. Under Privacy, select the option to export your data if you want a copy of your information. Manage whether your chats can be shared, adjust your memory preferences, and choose whether location metadata is included. You can also decide whether to share anonymized usage data to help improve Claude. In Billing, check the benefits included with your current plan. If needed, select Upgrade Plan to view additional available features or higher limits. Next, open Capabilities. Choose whether Claude should generate memory from your chat history and whether to import memory from other AI providers. You can also manage tool access and visuals, along with options such as code execution, file creation, and skills. Then, select Connectors. From here, link Claude to services such as Google Drive, Gmail, Google Calendar, and GitHub. Approve the permission prompts as needed. You can also disconnect linked services later from the same section. Lastly, open Claude Code. Here, manage your authorization tokens. If you need to make changes, select the available options in this section. Once you have finished reviewing and adjusting the settings you want to change, go through each section to confirm your choices. Changes typically save as you go. However, if you see a Save button after making a change, click it before leaving the settings page. And that's how to change settings in Claude AI. Don't forget to click the link in the description. Thank you for watching.